Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to implement the basic CSS in HTML file. So how to implement basic CSS in HTML file. So this is my Visual Studio and I have created some folder here, CSS files, and I will create one file here. The file name is first program dot html. So we have created the first program.html. So here I will write HTML. Then you will get the uh, extension here and you can click on HTML font file. So then you will get the basic structure of the HTML. And the title I will change it as the basic implementation of the CSS. So basic implementation of the CSS. So here in the body, I will create two tags. One is e tag, and another one is or you can write here. So which one tag? So here I will write and just and give, and here I will write and iron boom. So I have written some some code here, in the body. I have implemented h1 tag and the paragraph tag. So I want to give this, like I want to give the styles to the h1 tag and the p tag. So where I can do it, I can do it in the head tag. I can do it in the head tag, and for that I have to use the style tag. For that I have to use that style tag. So first of all, I want to change the background color. So I want to use the background color as can write. So I will choose dark blue or blue. So I will choose I will choose So I have written the background color blue. So what we have to choose? I have to choose body. So for the body only, right? We are going to write this color. So that's why we have to write body here. So body. We have to open the flower brackets, and I will copy this and I'll paste it here. So I'll paste it here. So you have to mention which tag do you want this background color, and you have to just open the flower brackets. That's it. So you can, if you want to choose it, you can change the color also. You can change the color also. And after that, we are having h1 tag. So h1 tag, we will open it. We will open it. So here we will write color. So for the h1 tag, color red, and text element. So I want to like I want to add that h1 content on the middle of the page. So I will use center here. I will use center here. And after that, I'm having a p tag. I'm having p tag. So like this only we have to open it, and we have to use this font family button. Just type tab, and you can use the font size as 30 pixel. You can use 30 pixels. So we have used background color as blue, and for the H1 tag we have used color as red, and we have situated these content on the center of the web page, and we have implemented uh, styles to the p tag, and the font family is bandana, and font size is 30 pixels. The size should be a small answer to the H1 tag. So this is the basic styles which we can give to the H1 p tag and the body tag. So I hope this program is understand to you, and we'll just run this program, and you can press the F5 or you can click start debugging here, and I'll use Google Chrome. See, we got the web page here, Avengers and here. So we can change the color also. So here you can use color. You can use aqua. Save it, and just refresh it. So you can change the colors. So as you wish, you can change the colors as you wish. So this is how we can implement the basic styles to the web page. Basic style to the web page. So this is all about the basic implementation of CSS, like basic styles we have implemented. So what we have learned in this class, so we have implemented the background color. So we have learned background color, what is background color, and what is color, what is text align, and what is font family, and what is font size and color. So font size means this, we got 30 pixels, and we have used color as aqua, and font family is weather. And the for H1 tag we have used color as red, and text align center. So I hope you understand. So that's it, friends. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video with your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.